the first Taiyang pattern. Shao Yin, Taiyang, or water and fire imbalance. This is water, this is fire. When there is not enough water to extinguish fire, or there is not enough water to make the upper burner working well. We usually say, if there is a house of, you're an architect, you have a house, and because of the financial restriction, you're allowed to put only one chimney. And which floor you will put the chimney? On the ground floor, definitely. On the ground floor. Why? Because the heat will go up and heat the loft and heat the upper floor. If you put the chimney up, the ground floor will be cold, the fireplace. So, in Shaoying Taiyang situation, there is no fireplace here. So you must make and build the fire on the ground floor to make the upper floor working well. In this situation, usually, if you do the pulses, you want to check the pulses, apart from weak kidney, you will see very low left sun, very low and weak, or sometimes it's scattered. What is scattered? You don't feel the urges of the artery. It's kind of not well refined and weak. This is the situation. And interesting enough, I noticed when the water is weak, when there is not enough strength in kidney to move up the system, but the system has to move somehow. So some other organs take the function of kidneys. And you know which one? In this situation, very often the liver becomes hot. And this is how you can see very angry and weak people. They don't have strength, but the liver is pounding. And the next stage is autoimmune disorder. How you distinguish autoimmune disorder? Beautifully. On the left guan. On the left guan, if you start taking pulse, and you can hardly feel it, just hardly. It's very weak. I put the arrow down. This is autoimmune disorder. Liver is responsible for the immune system. If there is no strength, there will be the immune condition. All serious diseases, autoimmune, check it. You won't see this pulse strong. Bear in mind, it can be jumpy. Whew. But it can be very weak. How to understand whether it's weak or not? You press down and this pulse disappears. It doesn't rebound. It doesn't have strength. It doesn't fight your finger. It just collapses under your finger. This is weak pulse. It can be up or down, but if it doesn't rebound, doesn't fight, it's weak. And if someone manages to know the pulses, the art of pulses, and also ear diagnostics, you will be the first practitioner. You will be so good practitioner because you will be able to diagnose straight away the condition. Okay, we move to another pattern.